Hi everyone, thinking about getting the Xfinity Global Travel Pass for your next trip? In this video, we will explore whether it's worth the cost and how it can keep you connected while traveling. Let's dive in. If you rely on high calls, text, and internet usage during international travel, the Global Travel Pass can be a good option. It provides a convenient solution for traveling across multiple countries. However, not all countries support it, so be sure to check the list of eligible countries before purchasing the Global Travel Pass. In terms of cost, paying $10 per day may seem expensive compared to other options. Alternatively, you can consider the pay-as-you-go option, which is generally less expensive than the Global Travel Pass. This allows you to pay only for what you use without incurring daily fees. Advantage of Global Travel Pass. Convenience. The Global Travel Pass allows users to stay connected while traveling internationally without needing to purchase a local SIM card or deal with complex activation processes. It provides a straightforward way to access mobile data, calls, and text. Flat daily rate. For $10 per day in over 170 countries and $5 per day in Mexico and Canada, users receive unlimited calls and text along with 512 MB of LTE data. This can be beneficial for travelers who need reliable service without worrying about per-use charges. Wi-Fi calling and backup option. Users can take advantage of Wi-Fi calling, which allow them to make calls and send text over Wi-Fi networks, potentially saving on data usage when connected to Wi-Fi. For those who primarily rely on Wi-Fi but want a backup option for mobile connectivity, the Global Travel Pass serves as a safety net in case Wi-Fi is unavailable or unreliable. Disadvantage of Global Travel Pass. Limited data allowance. The Global Travel Pass provides only 512 MB of LTE data per day for $10 in over 170 countries and $5 in Mexico and Canada. This data limit is considered minimal compared to other carriers like Verizon, which offer 2 GB for the same price. Unreliable activation. There have been numerous reports of issues with activating the Global Travel Pass correctly. Users have experienced unexpected roaming charges due to the pass not being properly added to their accounts despite assurance from customer service. Lack of data top-up options. Xfinity does not offer the ability to purchase additional data above the 512 MB limit when traveling. Users have expressed frustration at this lack of flexibility, especially when the data allowance is considered low. Not available in all places. Global Travel Pass available only for limited countries. You can find the country eligibility in the Xfinity internal pass. For example, the Global Travel Pass is not available in Afghanistan. You can check the country here. The link I have provided in the description, you can directly go through it. Conclusion. While there are drawbacks such as limited data and potential customer service issues, the Global Travel Pass offers a convenient solution for travelers looking to maintain connectivity while exploring new destinations. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.